How to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on mobile. So if you want to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on your mobile, then what you need to do, go with your Roblox app. So I have the Roblox app right here, in which you can log in to one account, right? So if you want another account, then what you need to do is just simply tap and hold on to that Roblox application, and you will have an option of app clone. So you just need to simply go with the app clone option. So here you can, for example, I'll be just going to the Instagram or WhatsApp. So you just need to simply tap and hold on to that, and you can see that app clone option. Tap on it and you will have two Instagrams. Or if you just go with the messenger, go with app clone, and you will have two messengers. Or if you go with Snapchat, it's the same process. If you have app clone option, then you will be able to have two applications at the same time, and you can log in to another accounts on both of those. And this way you'll be able to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on mobile. So in this way you'll be able to clone the application and you can use two accounts. But if you don't have an option to clone, then you can just simply go with your Play Store or your App Store and just install a cloning application or something like that, and you can use your Roblox with multiple accounts. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.